Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. It's a four-wheel drive. It's got 211,000 miles on it. It's got 11-foot bed, Stellar 3,200 pound crane, Mighty M, welder, generator, air compressor. It's got a lube skid on it with engine oil, grease, hydraulic oil. I'm going to do this video real quick because it's starting to rain, and I don't want to be sitting around here. It's got a brand new crane controller we bought for it. The other one was broken. Just going to show you the basic stuff on this crane here, back and forth. Winch down, extension out, extension in, winch back up, boom down. Got work light. It's got a light up there. Vice. Put this crane controller right up there. Tires are in nice shape. Work lights in the compartments. Here's all your lube stuff. Hydraulic oil, motor oil, grease gun, regular air compressor. There. You hear them things running up there. And I believe that's your waste oil where you suck your waste out. This is a new wire if the batteries go dead on your crane. It comes with a new crane controller. Interior's like brand new. Cruise control, air conditioning, all that's working like it should. Toolboxes. Nice rear work bumper. This handle is broke right here, so this thing up there. That thing works like it should. switch. It's got different things you can do with it. It's pretty cool. $211,903 on the mileage. And it's definitely not my kind of music. For more than 20 years. AC blows out cold. Nice truck, ready to work. Doesn't need anything, runs out and drives perfect. All the equipment works on it like it should. It's got good tires. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to get it shipped, we can get it shipped to you anywhere in the lower 48. We ship them in and out all the time, so just give us a call. We'll get it shipped right to your door for a very fair price. I will tell you this, we bought 6 or 7 of these trucks. We sold 2 of them. The 2 we posted already, they sold really within a day. So if you're looking, don't wait around. And if you're looking, this ain't the same truck you looked at 2 weeks ago, because we've already sold it, or sold them, depending on how long you've been looking. But we still got some more coming in. I believe this is the lowest mileage one we have left. The rest of them have like 216 to up to like 240. So but they're all the same setup. They're great trucks. But give us a call if you're interested. 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetaltrucks.com. Thank you for watching.